May the Lord make your love increase and overflow for each other. Austin, Madison, that's the passage I just want to take a moment to talk with you about today in this special moment. And here's the thing about weddings. On weddings, you hear from a lot of people who have a lot of wonderful things to say to you today. They are going to give you their well wishes and blessings and congratulations, and they're going to say all kinds of things to you, including giving you pieces of advice about what marriage will look like and should look like in the years ahead. But I hope to take this moment in this passage just to remind you that the voice that I want you to hear today more than anything is the voice of God. And it says very plainly that this passage wants you to love each other in such a way that it's not just that you love each other, but your love overflows with one another. First thing this passage shows you to help you love each other is the source of your love, where it comes from. And when God calls us to love one another, whether it's just other human beings in our life or even the people we're married to, it's really hard to do it. The first thing I want you to remember today is that if you're going to have a marriage of love, you have to have a source bigger than yourselves. You have to have a source of marriage that's stronger than just who you are. People think that if I just try hard enough and work hard enough that I can love another person and make it work. And that may last for a while. At the end of the day, our love runs out, and we need something stronger than that. And this passage reminds us that the thing that will drive us is to first get our love from God, and then let that flow out to us in marriage. You have to be empowered by something stronger than yourself. One of the things that people think that marriage is about is sort of always looking at each other and finding all your value and all your meaning just in the other person. But what you realize about the way it works is that actually our marriages work when we together look at something else, namely God and how He's at work in us to change us. Friends are not absorbed in each other. Friends stand side by side, absorbed in some common interest. And I think that's such a great way to think about marriage. Marriage is not so much purely being absorbed in each other, but you guys standing shoulder to shoulder, side by side, absorbed in something else bigger and greater than yourselves.